Are you looking for the best electric wheelchairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric wheelchairs that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Carman Healthcare Ultra Lightweight Ergonomic Wheelchair. Talking about ultra-portable electric wheelchairs, Carman Healthcare is among the newest models you can find in the market. This wheelchair has 17 by 18 by 19 inches seat and the height is 19 inches. Other than that, the model has a powerful motor that gives it enough power to permit climbing up to 10 degrees. It also has a removable footrest that has heel loops for convenient storage and transport. This wheelchair has 20 inches by 1 3/8 inches rear wheels that are large enough to go through hard and rough terrain. Moreover, the device features a patented S-shaped seating frame and has a weight limit capacity of 220 pounds. Number 4. Fold-A-Wheel PW-999UL Open, Fold in a 1-second powered wheelchair. When we are talking about this motorized machine, you can describe it as a simple but premium quality work which permits extensions to the armrests and adjustable functions. The designer made this lightweight portable power chair with only 43 pounds in weight. Moreover, its brushless motors are energy-saving, powerful and durable and deliver better traction, and this makes it easy to navigate on steeper slopes. Another great advantage of this powered wheelchair is that the footrest can collapse inward to offer easier and closer stand-up position. In short, the wheelchair has hydraulic anti-tilt support for comfortability. Number 3. Anuovo Electric Power Comfortable and Lightweight Wheelchair. The Anuovo Electric Power electric wheelchair is a mobile masterpiece made with comfort and durability in mind. The device includes 360 degrees joystick with the updated electric magnetic braking system, making it easy to operate. In the essence, the wheelchair has 2 high-performance lithium battery that powers it. This device is one of the most comfortable and stable wheelchairs in the market. This comfortable and lightweight wheelchair is made using aluminum frame, making it superlight with only 50 pounds. You can equally fold this wheelchair in 3 seconds. Markedly, this wheelchair features unique 7.5 cm thick seat cushion that makes the user comfortable all the time. Number 2. Forcemeach Voyager Folding Ultra Portable Power Wheelchair. Occupying the 5th position in the list, the Forcemeach Voyager electric wheelchair's position is justified by its quality it offers and great features. It's made using lightweight aluminum alloy material, and this makes it easy to transport. In addition to that, the device has a weight capacity of 285 pounds, making it ideal for old people. The wheelchair is FDA certified and usually meet US regulations whenever you are going for air travel. With its 4 miles per hour, travel speed and detachable all-direction joystick make it best in the market. It also features large wheels that allow easy maneuvering even in uneven terrain. Number 1. Comfy Go 2019 Updated Silla de Ruedas Electric Wheelchairs. This nicely furnished wheelchair is very easy to operate, and it's made to be more lightweight and durable. The Comfy Go usually folds in just 5 seconds, thus fitting in most trucks. This makes it convenient for travel and storage. On the other hand, the backrest and the seat are removable, and this makes it easy to clean. As a roll, the 2X250W brushless motors provide you a powerful ride, has an adjustable speed. This wheelchair features ergonomically made joystick that you can operate using one hand. With a stadium style and comfortable seat to ease your upper body, and therefore this electric wheelchair is ideal for individual who love traveling.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.